If you're seeing itch.io error 143, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back to browsing, downloading, or launching your game without the error getting in the way. This issue is often caused by something simple like a connection problem, a bad page load, a URL issue, or even a VPN or proxy interfering with access. The good news is that most of the time, you can fix it in just a few minutes. If this guide helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes like this. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing to do is refresh the page on itch.io. Sometimes error 143 happens because the page didn't load properly the first time, and a simple refresh is all it takes. Click the refresh button in your browser, or press Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on Mac and see if the page loads normally. If the error is still there, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Make sure you're actually connected to the internet and that your connection is stable. If your Wi-Fi is weak or disconnecting, try opening another website to see whether the problem is only happening on itch.io or across the entire browser. If other sites are also having issues, restart your router or switch to a different network if possible. Next, check the URL. A small typo in the link can sometimes cause the page to fail or send you to the wrong location. Make sure the itch.io address is typed correctly and that you're opening the right page. If you copied the link from somewhere else, paste it again carefully or try navigating directly from the main itch.io website. After that, disable any VPN or proxy you might be using. VPNs and proxies can sometimes trigger access errors or make itch.io think your connection is coming from an unusual location. Turn off your VPN, close any proxy software, then reload the page and see if the error clears. This is one of the most common fixes for connection-related site problems. If the error still appears, clear your browser cache. Old cached files can cause a page to load incorrectly, especially if the site has updated since your last visit. Go into your browser settings, find the privacy or browsing data section, and clear cached images and files. After that, close your browser completely, reopen it, and try itch.io again. If needed, you can also try opening the site in an incognito or private window to rule out browser data issues. If the page works there, then the problem is usually tied to your normal browser cache or cookies. At this point, if none of those steps worked, try a different browser or device just to confirm whether the issue is local to your setup. That can help you tell whether it's a browser problem or something temporary on itch.io side. So to quickly recap, refresh the page, check your internet connection, verify the URL, disable VPN or proxy, and clear your browser cache. In most cases, one of those fixes will solve error 143 right away. If this video helped you fix the problem, please like the video and subscribe for more simple tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.